Wilson's is a pet food company that produces cold pressed and frozen raw dog food, alongside treats and supplements. They are based in Ayrshire, led by Managing Director Craig Wallace, alongside Neil Westwood, the Operations Director, and Chairman Stuart Nicholson. Wilson's was an attractive investment opportunity as it's a business of scale, with a strong management team who have ambitious plans to grow the business. The £1 IFS investment will be utilised to go after the company's ambitious growth plans. These plans include expanding within existing product lines, expansion into new categories, which will overall entail further recruitment and capital expenditure. First entry through Maven's Meet the Investor sessions, which are one-to-one clinics and allow entrepreneurs to find out more about investment fund for Scotland and also Maven as a whole. These online one-to-one sessions include a conversation with a member of Maven's investment team to discuss any funding requirements you may have and to ask any questions regarding investor readiness. To find out more, visit mavencp.com/IFS.